Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I want to start today with a simple question, one you've probably heard a dozen times already today. How are you? But wait, before you answer good, thanks, I want you to really think about it. How asterisk are asterisk you? We say this phrase so often, it's almost lost its meaning. It's become a social reflex, a conversational placeholder, like hello or goodbye. The standard response is fine, you, and we move on without a second thought. But what if we treated that question with the weight it deserves? What if, when we asked it, we were genuinely prepared to listen? And what if, when we were asked, we felt safe enough to give an honest answer? Actually, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed today, or you know what? I'm incredibly excited about a new project. Imagine the depth that would add to our daily interactions. This isn't about oversharing with every barista or cashier you meet. It's about recognizing the opportunities for real connection with the people in our lives, our friends, our family, our colleagues. The people who genuinely care. Sometimes, just being able to say, "I'm not okay" out loud is the first step toward feeling better. It validates our feelings and opens the door for support. And on the flip side, when you ask someone, "How are you?" try creating a space for an honest answer. Maybe it's the way you ask, with direct eye contact and a patient tone. Maybe it's following up with, "No, really? What's been on your mind lately?" You might be surprised by what you hear. You might be the one person who asked that day, the one person who made them feel seen. This simple shift can be transformative. It helps us build stronger, more authentic relationships. It reminds us that it's okay not to be okay, and it's a beautiful thing to share in each other's joys and struggles. We all have our own battles and victories, big and small. Sharing them doesn't just lighten our own load. It strengthens the bonds we share with others. So, I'll ask you again, and I want you to think about it. Maybe even leave a comment below if you feel comfortable. How are you, really? Let's start a real conversation. Let's practice listening with intent and speaking with honesty. It is a small change that can make a world of difference in a world that often feels disconnected. Thanks so much for spending this time with me. If this resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more conversations like this. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. See you in the next one.